Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We have a brand new package to unbox and it looks like this came all the way from the Czech Republic, which is really cool. I've never gotten anything from the Czech Republic before, so I'm super excited to see what this could be. I have an idea, but I'm not 100% sure. So might as well use the scissors because it does not want to come loose. So we'll just use the scissors to start it. And I feel good about opening a package today. I had a rough couple of days, and it's just nice to get back to opening packages and doing my regular routine. Alrighty, so it's nicely packaged. And let's see what this is. Oh, this is not at all what I thought it was going to be. This is from Amazon, and it came all the way from the Czech Republic, which is so weird. I wondered why this Amazon package was taking so long to arrive. I had no idea it was mailed all the way from the Czech Republic. That's pretty cool. So it might have got stuck in customs. So this is a set of 12 tinted watercolor pencils by the Staedtler brand. And these are like graphite pencils. So I thought that would be really cool. I recently bought the Derwent Graphitint paint pens, and I really like them. And I thought these would go well with them. I couldn't afford the Graphitint pencils, the Derwent. They were quite expensive, and these were less expensive. So just give me a second to go online to Amazon, and I'll give you the details. I wasn't expecting it to be this. All right, so I ordered these on June the 14th. And today, as I'm recording this, is July the 5th. So it took almost a month. I thought it was over a month, but not quite a month. It took almost a month for these to come in. About a week and 2 days short of a month. So actually, that's not bad from the Czech Republic, especially if they got stuck, in customs. Because there's a customs declaration here. So there's a good chance customs was holding this for quite a while. So yeah, so what did I pay for these? Let me see the order details. $16.90 on Amazon. Now, what I didn't know is last week I ran into the Walmart. I had to pick up a prescription. And while I was waiting for them to do my prescription, I went and looked at their art supplies. And Walmart had this exact set, and I think they had it for $10.99 at Walmart. And I was so tempted to buy it, but I knew it was already coming in the mail, and I wasn't going to spend an extra $10 on them, So, well, let's take a look. So you can see here are the colors. And by the way, that's Canadian money. And today, this is not available at all. So you can't get this today in Canada. On Amazon Canada, they don't have any left. So I guess maybe I got the last pack. I don't know. But I like that the package shows you the colors here. And there's a cute little beaver on the front. I'm Canadian, and I go for a walk quite often at the beaver pond, and I watch the beavers. And these are watercolor pencils, so you can draw with them and then add water and change what they look like. And they give you some examples on the back. We aren't testing these today. Today is strictly an unboxing. And I just buy all of these things for myself because I really love art supplies. I love doing art, but at this point, I think my main hobby is actually just buying art supplies. So let's test these. Let's look at them. We'll test them another day. So they all look the same. They all look exactly the same. And they say tinted, and there's a little picture of a water brush on there, and that means you could use water to turn them into watercolor. It says made in Germany, Staedtler brand, tinted. And the only way you could see the color is to look at the bottom, which I think is silly. I think they should have made the color come up to here at least. Like if they would have painted the color on the edge, you can kind of see it. But mostly, to see the colors you're going to get, let me just get them all out. You're going to have to tilt them upside down. Hang on. So these are the colors. So what I did notice is there's no yellow. So I kind of wish there was a yellow. I don't know if there's a reason maybe why you can't have a graphitint kind of color with yellow. Maybe it just turns it more green. I don't know. So I will swatch all of these in a separate video and I'll test them out. But I'm very excited that these finally came in. So it looks like we get several blues, a few grays, a few greens, a red, and a purple. Is there a black? I don't see a black. I think the brown is the darkest color. But I have graphite pencils like that are black, so that's not a problem. So the only problem would be yellow. So you would have to grab like a yellow watercolor pencil from another set if you wanted a yellow. But it, like from the cover, that brown, which I don't know what color that would be, I'm guessing either the green or this one, it kind of looks yellowy. So yeah, but I'm really excited these finally came in. I'm so used to getting everything like overnight or within 2 days or usually at the very least a week from Amazon. So to take 3 weeks was a long time. But I did not know that they were being sent from the Czech Republic. I'm very eager to test these. And right now is World Watercolor Month, and these are tinted watercolor pencils. So I could use these this month as well. So I think that is really awesome. So that is it. Unfortunately, they're not available on Amazon today as I'm talking to you. But go check your local Walmart because my Walmart had them and they're cheaper by $6.99 cheaper. I think they were $10.99 at Walmart. So go check it out if you're interested in these. Alright guys, so that's it for this unboxing. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye guys.